Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I package my mail for some racks that I'm going to be sending. If you have been following me lately, I've been making a lot of DIY embellishments, and I want to show you my process of just wrapping them and making them all pretty. So what I do is I get these from Michael's. These are cello bags, this size. This I get from Michael's, and let me show you the packaging. So sorry, this is a Celebrate brand. Celebrate it, and then the size is 5.75 by 7 7/5 inches. So this is what I do. I just buy these, and it's 40 a pack, and then I insert the paper. I like it to have a lot more room, so as you can see, there's a little bit more room right there. And then what I do, I like them all mixed up. I don't normally put like all the paper clips together or all the rosettes together. So I just mix them all up. I'm gonna show you some samples of what I made right here. As you can see, I've mixed the paper tassels, the regular size paper tassels, the mini paper tassels, paper clips, some beaded tassels right there. So it's all mixed in. I was thinking of showing you these guys because, you know, we have swaps. You don't have to send it right now because of social isolation, but you can package it up and ready to go. And once everything is settled, then you can just go to the post office, you know. But these are, I'm trying to get them all ready to send to my friends. And you know, because I don't like going to the post office, not unless I have to. It's not necessary, but I would love to get them all ready and pretty. And so when I am ready to go, then, and I'm even gonna go to a point where I'm gonna put the address already. Everything's gonna be packaged, everything's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna get it all ready. And so it's at a point where it's going to the post office. So this is number 4. I've made a lot. You know me, I make bulk. When I make my embellishments, I make a boatload of them and then save it for a rainy day. So that's what it looks like. I just put a rosette, a few, you know, embellishments, and my favorite flower and leaf. So this is what I've been doing. I've been making embellishments using the Maggie Holmes collections, and then just putting it in a container. And then when I feel like I have enough supplies, then I just put it all together. These are some paper clusters, some layered hearts, some paper clip, and paper tassel, paper cluster. And so, you know, I think this is a great idea because it's all mixed in and it makes it all interesting. And these packages, I've already pre-cut them, so it's ready to go. And then this is the only thing I take care of, which is the bag topper. These are already pre-cut. I've already pre-cut this before, so that I just have to pre-cut like a batch of 12. So, and then I just put them all together like this. I have a little bit more to show you guys, and then we're gonna package. we're gonna put these, what I have left. So this is my absolute favorite. So stinking cute. Can you see this? This is my favorite. I love the Gather collection because of this blue gingham. It's just my favorite. So this one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna give this away. I think I'm gonna keep this for myself. Just one. I'm only gonna keep one out of all of it, because yes, I think I deserve just one package. So that is gonna stay here. This is for Christian. As you can see, these are super, super cute. How pretty. The punch flowers, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I was thinking if I was gonna get this package, I'll be super happy because they're so tiny and cute. There's a couple more. These are the policy envelopes that I did without dies. I have a video of this. If you look at my the collection of my videos, these are so easy to make, guys, and all you need is tiny pieces of scrap paper and just basic embellishments and adhesive. Actually basic materials, and then you embellish it as you see fit. These one are regular size embellishments. I'm giving this away to a special friend who loves Maggie Holmes. I think most of us love Maggie Holmes, love her collections. And this is just regular sized ones, because I've been making a lot of mini, and these are my regular sized embellies. So I'm going to show you and bring you along in my process of figuring out what to do for the next. We're going to do 2 packages today. So I've already kind of done the bag topper. So what I do first is I kind of look at it to see where I can, you know, how much space I have after I put the bag topper, because you have to be mindful of that, because you want your package to show your creations, right? So it allows me to distribute the space based on how big my bag topper is. So most of these are the new policy envelopes that I just created, and so I don't think I have a lot more space. I don't think I have a lot of space for much. So I think this is gonna be a good one, and probably a bow. So we can have, let me see what else I can put in there. Maybe this. And that, or no, this one. This would be so cute. Alright, maybe that. Alright, and then, so now that I know where they're gonna be, I'm gonna start putting these tiny little dots. I ran out of glue dots, so I think it's easy enough to peel off. And then this is where I use my little stapler. Because when I get Happy Mail, I try not to use them. I don't know why. I know I'm supposed to use them because, you know, that person intended for me to use it. But I feel like it's so precious that I don't want to touch it. I just want to look at it, and that's it. Just look at it constantly. So if you haven't seen my tutorial on how to make these tiny little embellishments, please scroll down. You're gonna see we made so many small embellishments in my past few videos, and if you're interested in those, just click. And I used a lot of Maggie Holmes. If you are in love with Maggie Holmes' style, that would be a perfect video for you. So now this is what it's gonna look like packaged, and then I'm gonna staple it. I'm not afraid to staple it because it's not a big deal. I don't think anybody would mind me stapling it. I mean, you can barely see it right there, and then I staple it here in the side just to make sure that it's secure. So don't you think that's super cute, guys? Super cute. And this one is gonna be ready to go to go to a new home that and hopefully be appreciated by a crafty friend. So next, this is our last one, guys. So I've already pre-made this. I just layered a lot of paper. So now just it's just nicer if I'm able to show most of. Isn't this so cute? Some of this I layered in the car while I was waiting for work. But I think this barely uses a lot. It barely uses any paper, I promise. Let me know what you think about these tiny little embellishments. Is it something that you would like to receive? I'm thinking of doing a giveaway for if I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm looking for suggestions on brand products that you guys might potentially like to win. Would it be more Maggie Holmes products? Would it be Jen Hatfield? Comment down below on what would be an amazing giveaway that you think you'd like to receive if you won. That would give me a great idea on what to shop for if I meet my 1,000 subscriber mark, because that's my goal for this year, is to hit 1,000. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and join this community of supportive individuals and creative individuals. So that's it. Super easy. And now I still have these to package. More stuff to package, but I just wanted to show you the process of doing that, just so you can be inspired to do your own packaging at home. It's super simple. Just a cello bag and, just paper scraps as bag toppers. So I hope that helps you guys and inspires you to use your scrap stash today. Thank you if you're already subscribed to my channel. I absolutely appreciate your support. If you are not a subscriber yet, I hope you can consider subscribing. We do a lot of fun crafting in this channel, a lot of collaborations, a lot of playing with our scrap stash. Guys, always stay safe, wash your hands, stay strong. We will get through this together. Let me know if you have any questions. Please consider subscribing. This is Christian signing off, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Bye!